How to use the new Instagram DM and messaging features. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Help Tech. In this guide video, I will show you the way as to how you can actually use the new Instagram DM features. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first, just make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store. In the search box, typing in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, now I want you to go over and simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. The very first thing we will learn is to actually the active status which Instagram has added. So in order to hide or turn on our active status, just come to your profile page first. Tap on the three lines which you see on the very top right hand side of the screen, and at the bottom go ahead and select settings. Once you go to settings, select the option called privacy, which is at the very top. As you select the option called privacy, go to the option called activity status, which is here at the bottom. As you go to the activity status, here you can either hide your activity status or turn it on. The next feature we are going to learn is the quick send feature, that you can quickly send one of the posts which you see to one of your friends. To do that, normally you have to just long press on this DMs icon next to that particular post. Once you long press on it, you'll be able to see a list of all the names and people to whom you might want to send this to. This depends on people whom you're frequently chatting with, and just go ahead and select any of the random people over here, and you can say it says sent. Now normally you would have to tap on the DMs icon in order to send them manually, but this is one of the quick send features. And the last features we're going to do is to simply send a silent message. You can send a silent message without making them receive notifications in case if they're on work or anything else. So just go to the DMs page, and in order to send a silent message, all you have to do is actually press @silent on the beginning of the message over here. As you actually press and write in @silent at the beginning of the message, now you can just go ahead and enter a message over here, and when you send it, that person is basically not going to get notified that you have sent them a message, because this is a silent message. And this is how you can use the three newest Instagram messaging features: active now, quick send, and silent message. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.